Good morning, TikTok. It is like 8:30 in the morning. I just woke up. I'm a mess. I know. I don't care. I was actually shocked that the app was still here, and I realized that after uh, my last video, I had not made another one because, frankly, this is a little overwhelming. I've been on most of the social media apps and really couldn't care less about any of them up until now. Over the last 3 years, TikTok has helped me build something that I've never really had before. I've just been a professional for the last 25 years. Hadn't had a lot of friends, to be honest. I was busy working. I'm married, I have dog and parrot, but let me show you what TikTok has given me. So, I just got my little travel trailer moved back to the property. I'm going to turn it into my little home office again. I worked out of that trailer for about 4 years when I was still delivering babies, and it brought me a lot of joy. And so I've brought it back up here to the property so that it can be part of my life again. It's kind of a happy place for me, and so I'm going to use it to do my videos and things like that. I will be going to my dog is running around crazy with her ball. I'm gonna be on YouTube for sure. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. I hate Facebook, guys. I hate it. I'm not. And I know Instagram is part of Facebook, but I don't know. Facebook's just so ugly anymore, and I'm still mad at them for censoring me and banning me as a physician during the COVID years, when all I was promoting was just common sense, wash your hands kind of crap. So I will forever hate Facebook and what Zuckerberg did to all of us. But that's here and there. I've been invited by multiple people to Lemonade. Never heard of it, but I did join this morning, and apparently it has connected me to you already, so I guess I'm there. I'll have to check that out later this afternoon. But I wanted to come on here and say thank you. Thank you for your content. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you for being part of my life. Thank you for helping me build this. I've gone from a few houseplants, I think everybody knows my grandparents had a nursery when I was a kid. I had been collecting orchids for a while, but I even got out of that because of my husband's military career. So when I came to TikTok, I had just come back to Florida. I had just started collecting houseplants again, and it went from a few houseplants to literally 2 greenhouses and a barn's worth. So I love what TikTok has done, and for bringing me so much love, in both the form of the plants and you guys. Man, my hair is really a mess, but oh well, no judging, right? Here, we'll move it out of the way so we don't see it. It's winter. Everything's awful. Not awful. My plants actually look pretty good for being winter, but it's not the time for beautiful plant pictures. I have plenty of pictures I could be posting. I just really haven't been feeling like it. This has all been kind of a mess. Mad at the country, mad at our politicians, mad at so much. And it's hard to be motivated all the time. I'm generally a snarky-ish, to be sure, cynical-ish, to be sure, but upbeat person. I am a common sense person. I am a you are a product of you are going to have consequences of your own making kind of person, and that holds true for me too. So all of this has just been kind of angering to me because we didn't do this. I mean, TikTok, I'm sure TikTok is probably ugly in other corners of the app, but for us it's not. For us, it is a beautiful, healthy space. You know, yeah, there's a little bit of drama here and there, but you know, at the end of the day, it's plants. Plants. And they're beautiful and they're calming and they give us a hobby and someplace to focus our energy. And in my case, it's given me a whole life outside of medicine. I mean, next week I'm going down to Miami again for TPIE, and the month after that I'm going to Orlando for PlantCon, and the month after that I'm probably going down for some other one. You know, it's just given a whole new life. And I know I'm rambling, but I hope you guys will consider following me on YouTube, especially. I really want to try to focus my time there. I know I won't be any part of their algorithm. I never seem to hit any sort of algorithm on any platform. I don't care. That's not why I'm doing it. I have a day job. But it's been really fun knowing all of you guys and seeing your plants and seeing your lives and seeing your kids and your pets and your adventures because of plants. So if you've gotten this far, thank you. And I hope I'll see you out there. Please do connect. It's been really awesome. Again, Instagram, Lemonate. Again, I literally just joined that about 30 seconds ago, so I know nothing about it. YouTube is where I'm going to primarily focus, I think, and we'll go from there. If you're going to be at TPIE or PlantCon Orlando, let me know. I'll see you there. Bye. Thank you, TikTok.